GeopByte.
Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. If vectors a bar equal to cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap and b bar equal to cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap are functions of time. It is like this. Given vectors are like this. Vector A equal to cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap, and vector B is cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap. Okay, that means vector A and vector B are depending on the time. That is the meaning of functions of time. Then the value of t at which they are orthogonal to each other. That means at what time the vector A and vector B are orthogonal to each other. That is the question. That is right, the condition for orthogonal vector is condition for orthogonal vectors is vector A bar dot vector B bar must be equal to 0. It means cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap dot cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap must be equal to 0. Now let us simplify it. It can be written as cos omega t into cos omega t by 2 plus sin omega t into sin omega t by 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of, it is the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin A sin B. It must be equal to cos A minus B. Okay, so it can be written as cos omega t minus omega t by 2 must be equal to 0. Okay, understood? So from this I can write that cos omega t by 2 is equal to 0. Now cos 90 equal to 0. Therefore omega t by 2 equal to 90 degrees equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. This 2 cancel. Finally omega t equal to pi or t equal to pi by omega. So at this time the vector A and vector B are orthogonal to each other. T equal to pi by omega. Look at the option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Okay, na? Similarly, look at the another important question. It is asking like this. In an experiment, four quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage error 1%. That means error in percentage of error in A equal to 1%. Similarly, percentage of error in B equal to 2%. Percentage of error in C equal to 3%. Percentage of error in D equal to 4%. 4%. 4%. 4%. 4%. 4%. 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% 4% respectively. Then quantity P is calculated as follows. It is given that P equal to A cube B square by CD. Then what is the percentage of error in P? Very simple. Very simple. So percentage of error in P equal to dP by P into 100 is equal to 3 into dA by A into 100 plus 2 into dB by B into 100 plus dC by C into 100 plus dd by d into whole thing into 100 into 100. So dP by P into 100 is equal to 3 into 1 percentage plus 2 into 2 percentage plus 3 percentage plus 4 percentage. 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It is 7 plus 7, 14. 14 percentage. That is the answer. Look at the option A. Option A is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Then let us take the another important question. It is asking like this. Six vectors A through F have the magnitudes and directions indicated in the figure. Which of the following statements is true? Look at the vectors from A to F. Look at the option A. Vector B. Option A is vector B plus vector C. Look at the vector B. Vector B. Vector B is in this direction plus vector C. Look at the vector C in this direction. This is the vector C. Equal to vector F. This is the vector F. So this is not right. Absolutely correct. It is not correct, right? So A is not correct. Next, look at the B. Look at the B. Vector D. Look at the vector D. Look at this is the vector D. And plus vector C. Look at the vector C. This is the vector C. Equal to vector F. Vector F. No, it is not the correct representation. B not correct. Look at the C. Look at the option C. Vector D. Look at the vector D. This is the should be vertical. Vector D. Vector D plus vector E. Vector E must be equal to vector F. Must be equal, absolutely correct. So this is the correct representation. Vector F. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Then let us take the another important question. It is asking like this. A student measures the distance traversed in free fall of a body initially at rest in a given time. Initial at rest means u equal to 0. Initial velocity u equal to 0. He uses this data to estimate g, the acceleration due to gravity, means g is the acceleration due to gravity, if the maximum percentage error in measurement of distance and the time are E1 and E2. That means percentage of the error in distance, percentage of error in distance equal to E1. Similarly, percentage of error in time, percentage of error in time is E2 respectively. The percentage error in estimation of the G, percentage of the error in the estimation of G, how much? Very simple. You know, for a freely falling body, h equal to distance traveled by the vertical distance traveled by the particle equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Half, since it is a freely falling body, half gt square. since u equal to 0, I can say that h equal to half gt square. From this, g equal to 2h by t square. Then, right, dg by g into 100 equal to 2h by dh by h plus 2 into dt by t. Percentage of the error in the distance is given E1. It is equal to, right, of course it is multiplied with 100, right, multiplied with 100. So percentage of the error in distance is E1 plus 2 times the E2. So E1 plus E2, E1 plus 2 E2 is the percentage of the error in the acceleration due to gravity. E1 plus 2 E2. Option B is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.